Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to remove Microsoft account in Windows 11. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing my YouTube channel and liking the video. For that, first of all, go to your start button and hit right click. Then here we have to click on settings, then move over to the left and here we have to click on accounts. Then click on accounts here again, and then you have to scroll a bit and find the option as your info. Once you find, just click on your info. Then here we have to click on sign in with local account instead, because here we are going to remove our Microsoft account, and for that we have to add our local account, because only then we can remove our account. So here we have to click here. Then here we have to again click on next, then enter your pin. As soon as you enter your pin, you will get this pop-up, and here you have to create your local account. You can set whatever username you want, and also you can create whatever password you want. So once you've done that, just hit on next. Once you click on next, you will see the account is now getting sign in out, and once the sign in out process done, the PC will start with the local account. Here you can type your PC password, and once you type the password, the PC is now started with the local account. Now let me make sure it. For that, we can just again go to settings, then here accounts, and yeah, there you go. As you can see, it is showing local account, and yeah, that's the way you can remove Microsoft account in Windows 11. Now it's your time to repay me. For that, you can just subscribe my YouTube channel. I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.